Wheelock, Chapter 7, page 58, exercitationes. Number 1. Secundas litteras discipuli heri videbas, et de verbis tum cogitabas. Well, right off the bat, I can see I've actually got two verbs here. Big V there, big V here. I borrowed Harold's purple crayon. And so that's all kind of teetering right there. That's like a fulcrum, the conjunction et, and. All right. Well, I can do the verbs first. Let's do that. Videbas, you were seeing. Okay, that's imperfect. 2s. And cogitabas, same deal. It's nice, they sound the same, you know. 2s, you, singular. You were seeing and you were thinking. All right. So let's go up here. I'm going to start back here. Secundas literas. Okay. You can see they have the same endings there. And that's the accusative plural. Feminine. So that is our DO, direct object here. Got the orange crayon for the DO. So you were seeing letters, and this means favorable. Secundus is a funny word because it can also mean second. And what it is it's favorable because it's when a wind is behind you. And so also a second person is behind you. Weird connection, right? You were seeing the favorable letters discipuli. This is dative singular. Could be genitive singular, could be nominative plural. By process of elimination, not nominative plural, because remember, if you have a plural subject, you've got to have a plural noun, and you have, if you have a plural subject, you have to have a plural verb, and you can see here you have singular verbs, so that won't fit. What about, well, you know what? I could also do genitive singular. Yeah, these are both okay meanings. Weird, right? You were saying the favorable letters to the student or the favorable letters of the student. Harry, yesterday, adverb. These little adverbs, they're like little tugboats in the sentence. They kind of nudge it one way or the other. And de verbis. Ah, nice. Prepositional phrase, ablative plural. Knock that out. About the words. Tum, then, cogitabas, you were thinking. Alrighty. Number 2. Feminae sine mora. Ooh, prepositional phrase. Great. Without delay. That's ablative singular. Feminine. Civitatem de insidiis et exitio malo monebunt. Ah, classic here. We got big V over here. The verb at the very end of the sentence. And we've got subject. What am I using for subject? Oh, what's this? Cerulean or sky blue. All right, big S right here for the subject. Let's see if we have a match. Nominative plural? Plural verb. Great. What is it? B-U-N-T. Okay, this is going to be future third plural. Future third plural. They will warn. And this is our subject. Now this could be genitive singular, could be dative singular. This is a little bit like a cooking show, right? I ruled those out already. But it is the first word in the sentence, so that's often big S, you know. So I took liberties there. I took liberties. They were warning civitatem, the state. All right, now this is our third declension accusative singular. And you can't tell whether it's masculine or feminine. Now, I happen to know that all tas, tatus nouns are feminine. All those abstract nouns are feminine. It doesn't really matter. We know if it's accusative singular, bingo, we have our DO right here. They were warning the state about crimes and evil destruction. Nice. De, about, just like up here with de verbis, about the words, about the crimes. And this conjunction is just connecting these two nouns. It's not connecting sentence parts particularly. Let me scooch down a little bit here to get to number 3. Okay, 3, Rex. Et regina. Okay, king and queen. That makes sense. That goes together. I'm thinking, come on. This is nominative singular feminine. This nominative singular masculine. So we've got a subject right there. I'm just going to take liberties here as well and say that's got to be the subject. Compound subject with the conjunction there. The king and the queen. Therefore, tomorrow, not dare there remain. Okay. Rimanere. That is a verb, but I can see ere there, so this is the infinitive. To remain. We've got to have something to fill that out. Ibi just means there. That's a adverb. Audebunt. Oh, okay. So we've got nt. So that's third plural. And bu. So that's future. Third plural future. The king and queen, therefore, tomorrow will not dare to remain there. And I just want to point out, like, look at all these adverbs, right? They really guide the sentence. Don't have any endings, they just stick. Oh, I forgot that one, yeah. Therefore, tomorrow, not there. A lot of adverbs there. All right, let me see if I can scoot this up, bring the light down here. Got a better light on that. Great. Alrighty. Number 4, the final one. Mores graecorum. Non erant sine culpis vitiisque. Oh, look at this. QUE. That's that little connector. It's connecting to something back here. And I'm going to guess it's this. Let's preserve that thought. We can see right off the bat, it's got the same endings. Romans love to get a little rhyme in there. And, oh, sine, well, that's a preposition. So we've got a prepositional phrase and without faults and vices. Yeah, we can get that out of the way right away. Without faults and vices. And this QUE is connecting these two guys up, the two nouns. Yeah, so this is called an enclitic. Great little word, enclitic in English. Very technical. You can also call it a suffix, right? That's what we usually call something like that. And that Roman way of connecting from the end. Very strange. Mores graecorum non erant. Erant. Aha. So here we've got, give me that purple crayon. Big V. That's your verb. It's a plural verb, so we're going to look for a plural subject. How about graecorum, the Greeks? No. Because look here. Cut that ending off. Orum. Why, that's genitive plural. Can't be the subject. Subjects have to be nominative. How about this guy? Mores. Okay. Third conjugation. Blankis ema. Ace ibus acibus. Yeah, that could be the nominative plural. Okay. Happens to be masculine. We can't really tell. Let me get my sky blue subject crayon. And there it is. So the character or the morals of the Greeks were not without faults and vices. And this is a wonderful rhetorical device called litotes. Litotes is when you use a double negative, non, not, and sine, without, which is a negative word. Not without means with. So they did have faults, and vices. It's a wonderful way to use understatement to actually emphasize something.